Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix a smartwatch that doesn't charge. So I have an smartwatch by this model of Hogo and it doesn't charge. Let's show you. It doesn't charge. And first step, you should check for your health of cable by using an voltmeter. You can use this voltmeter for to see voltage on these two pins. Okay, so you have 5 volt on those pins, and but still you can't charge your smartwatch. So we should go and search for our problem. So you should use your ohm check for this. So this is your 5 volt pin and this is your negative pins. Okay, it's open and has no connecting and no connectivity in between these pins. So we should search for other side of this smartwatch to use to find a. Okay, so we should find connectivity between these two pins, and I should say if the failure for ground pin the failure is for ground pin, we are okay and can find another way to connect our ground pin, GND pin. If connectivity for positive pin is bad, we should open this smartwatch and try to repair it. All side of this smartwatch for GND connectivity. So I use my positive pin and negative pin in all around of it. Okay, so we can find it. Yes, this side of a smartwatch, this side of my watch is connected to ground. So we can use this for our ground pin. I show another way to use these multimeter pins for charging your smartwatch. Let me, if you want, charge it with another beside of your cable. You should do this instead. For first time, you should connect your charger to outlet and use the multimeter for your positive. Will join to my smartwatch like this. So okay, this is, yes. Okay, this is my positive, I'm sorry. So so we connect this 5 volt like this to our pins. nothing gonna happen. Our watch is still off, and I'm using like this. Yes, you can see it charging. Yes, we can see it's charging, and if I use it properly and connect it well, it should be turning. Yes, one. Sorry, I can't. Yes, you can see it charging in 1%. Okay, this is our positive, and for easiest way we connect it to our 5-volt adapter. We connect it to our 5-volt adapter from this wire, and it will charge it better and not lose like before. Okay, let's try this time. Okay, let's start charging.